Parker got the first one, huh?
Hold on
Look
to
at
this
that.
right here, okay? Just squeeze that together. There you go.
Looky here.
Nice job.
Excellent.
Good job, buddy.
Good
That
job.
heavy to hold? That's a nice looking walleye.
It is. Got that all by yourself.
Here we go.
I think he's gonna make it.
Yeah, I think it'll make size. I'm happy I finally got one.
Oh, look at that. That's a little fish. What is it? A lot?
What's your complaint? You got a little fish.
Yeah.
It's a keeper. I'm thinking it's a monster.
Yeah, it's not fighting a lot.
Oh, it's a big old catfish.
Is it?
Oh, it's a monster. Probably 15, 18 pounds.
Wow.
Captain's helping you, Parker. Keep breathing.
You got it, buddy.
Can't get this guy
Oh,
out.
yeah. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
Oh, yeah. He's a monster.
Yeah, sure. That's a big one.
Just snap the line.
Look at that thing.
Oh,
Huge. Huge.
I hope I got that for you.